welcome back to my channel Belza Janvi. So I hope you all are doing great, guys. In today's video I'm going to recreate the look of the famous YouTuber of India, Shreya Jain. Yeah, you must all be knowing about her. She's so fantastic, she's so adorable. She's just a perfect inspiration for all of them, inspiration of many, including me also. I started my YouTube channel after watching some of them. Right now I don't want to name all of them. There will be a big announcement for this week on my channel, but if you want to hear the announcement, I'll declare the announcement but in the end of the video. I tried to create this look of her. I know I have matched her a little bit just because I do not have that pigmented eyeshadows which she has, but still I tried my level best to create her look. Let's see in the video how I created this look. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. I'm starting my makeup with the inside primer. And this is a Nykaa concealer and contour stick. This I will apply on my eyelids and under my eyelid. Sorry, not under my eyelid, under my eyes. This is a Fit Me compact powder in the shade 230. I'll set my concealer with this. This is a Nivea lip balm. I'll prep my lips with the help of this. Now I'm taking a creamy beige shade from Swiss Beauty Palette 02, and this I will blend it all over my eyelid. Now taking a blue shade from the Professional company, it's a local company, that's why it hasn't given me that pigmented look which I was wanting it. I really regret to buy this. Now I started the yellow shade to the inner corner as she's having, but then I realized it is not giving that vibrant shade. That's why I applied a concealer to give it a vibrant shade, and I started with a pink shade, and from the outer corner I started with a purple shade. Now this is a yellow again to the inner corner. I was blending all over the thing that there will be no sharp edges of anything. Then in the inner corner I applied a silvery shade, and then in under eyelashes line I applied a orangey shade. Now I'm setting my face with a makeup setting spray before applying to my base, just because I have seen a trick on a TikTok. This is a Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Foundation in the shade 128, and I'm blending with this with the help of a brush in a dabbing motion. Now again with the same compact powder I'll set my foundation, because I have a oily face, that's why I have to set it again and again. Now I'm contouring my face with the help of a Wet n Wild contour palette. Curling my eyelashes. Give it a volume with the help of a mascara, Faces Canada mascara. Highlighting my highlighting points, my T-zone area especially, with the help of a Fit Me concealer 25 medium. Now contouring my nose with the same contour palette, Wet n Wild contour palette. Now the Nykaa lip liner in the shade Pillow Fight, and the Swiss Beauty blush. Soft pinky look what she was having, I also applied the same look that. Now the highlighter, Wet n Wild highlighter, Precious Petals. And for the lipstick I'm using 660 Maybelline Touch of Spice. today's video, guys. I hope you liked it, and please do tag your favorite YouTuber in the comment section below कि मुझे पता चले कि आप लोग के favorite YouTuber कौन हैं. And do follow me on my Instagram page. I'll just drop the link of my Instagram page in my description box. I have a big announcement that this week is totally dedicated towards my favorite YouTubers. In this week, I will just recreate their look on my channel, and I'll request you all to drop the name of your favorite YouTuber in my comment section. If you want me to recreate the look of your favorite YouTuber, please drop the name of your favorite YouTuber in my comment section. I'll try to recreate those looks. Okay. Please do not forget to hit the like button if you like the video. I forgot to say that. You do not forget to hit the like button. Now we'll meet in our next video. Till then, stay happy, stay tuned.